There's no.
Hey, what's up guys? It's your girl Lova. I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be a sleek ponytail tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this cute wraparound ponytail. Yes, this is a wraparound ponytail that I purchased off of Amazon. I believe the company's name was, let me make sure I get the right name. Don't want to give you girls the wrong one. Thank you for everybody for subscribing and viewing my videos. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me let you know what is the name of this company that I got this bomb ponytail from, okay? The company's name is Stamped Glorious. It's an Amazon seller. The length of this ponytail is 22 inches, and this is a wraparound ponytail. So all you really need, and I'm going to show you in the video, all you really need is to have bobby pins. You need, girls, once you purchase this, come back and I'll show you how to install it. All you need is bobby pins, gel, jam, and I show you the jam that I use. You may prefer a different strength, but you need jam, and you need a soft bristle brush and a comb. And if you do baby hairs, you need a baby hair brush, okay? So this ponytail only cost me $13.99, which isn't bad. Yeah, and I had Prime, so it came within like 2 days, so it wasn't bad at all. And I show you guys how I set it and everything like that. So yeah, so this is Amazon seller. It's quick and easy. You're just looking for a little style to go out with your friends. This is quick. You just literally put it on, wrap it up, put your hair down, slick your hair down. And how you slick your hair, I'll show you in this video how to slick it down. Let's get into the video, girl. Okay guys, we're doing a voiceover type of thing. Here I have my Eco Style gel. You're just going to need that as one of the gels to slick your hair down. And then I have my oil that I'm adding to my hair just to make sure my hair is moisturized. And I'm going to show you, I believe that's One and Only argan oil. I've always been using this for so long. I just take like a little dime size, put it in the middle of my hand, rub it through my hair, you know. Making sure I get it in the back of my, the back of my head. I don't want like anything to be crunchy because I'm adding gel to my hair. And my hair was straightened recently, so that's why it's so flat. And I'm combing it out. Just combing, making sure there's no knots, and I'm trying to get my hair to, make sure it's smooth. So when I, lay it down, yeah, still combing. That's so silly. Yeah, so make sure you comb your hair out really good. Then I'm using my denim brush because I want my hair to be flat. We're going for a wavy look, and I don't want any like knots or anything like that. So I'm just making sure I comb it out. Now I'm doing my part. So now I'm just making sure I part my hair really evenly. I'm doing a side part here, so I don't really like middle parts because I have a big head, so that's why I'm doing this side part. Okay, it's time to use your Eco Styler now. Oh, not Eco Styler. Sorry. I believe I'm using my jam. As you can see, I'm going to be using my jam to sleek down my hair. I think that works best for like the base coat when you're trying to get a sleek ponytail or a sleek, sleek down your hair. Jam is the best one to put on first, just for like the first part of the parting. You see how I'm applying it there? I think that that's the best thing to keep your hair down. And then you'll see I will just spread it, on the part. Um, really trying to make sure I get enough down so that my hair won't curl up and mess up the sleekness. So we don't want to mess up our sleek ponytail. So we want to put our base coat down, which is going to be the jam, and then we are going to follow, which you'll see, we're going to follow with the Eco Styler gel to, you know, to sleek everything down, because the Eco Styler is like the sealing of the hair being sleek. Let's see, what's your girl doing? Oh, she's getting them edges sleeked. I don't really do baby hairs. You're gonna see that I tried to do baby hairs, but like, baby hairs are not for me. I don't have baby hairs. Like, sis's edges is not like, crazy. I don't got like the long edges like everybody else. I got edges, but they ain't long like that. So, but yeah, we're just sleeking it down with the jam, using our hand. Okay, now we're gonna apply the Eco Styler. We are applying the Eco Styler to our wait, what did I just do? Oh no. Dude, we just applied the Eco Styler down just to get this to seal our hair. This is what's gonna seal it. The Eco Styler is a little bit harder than the jam. The jam is it's more flexible to move. If some people I know that they use the jam on their baby hairs. If you have baby hairs, you may want to use the jam. And yeah, we're just applying that. Brush it down, girl. Come on. Get it sleek, honey. That's what we're working on. We're working on sleeking down this ponytail.
Perfect, perfect.
Okay, ladies, now it's time to put on our head ties so we can have a nice flat ponytail. So we want a nice flat, smooth ponytail so we can actually put on our ponytail. So right now I'm just tying my hair down. I'm using a silk scarf. That is important for your hair. I think silk scarves are the best really for your hair. So yeah, I'm just tying it down, as you guys can see, and I will be back, okay? Okay guys, we're back. So I'm just brushing out the hair. That's the ponytail. I'm just showing you guys the ponytail and how it looks. I got a few, what's the word for that? Shoot. What's the word? Jeez, I don't remember. That's crazy. Shedding. I got a few strands. It was shedding, and now I'm just placing the ponytail on with the clip. I placed it on top of my bun that I have, and then I'm pulling my hair through the little pocket that they provide for your hair to go in the ponytail.
Just making sure it's a little secure and it's not hurting me. And now I grab the little piece of hair. You see I'm pushing it. And I grabbed a little piece of hair and I'm going to wrap it around so you can't see the base of, the ponytail. This little piece, it's pretty long because the hair is 22 inches, so you're just going to wrap that all the way around. And you see I bend my hand over so you guys can see what I'm doing. And make sure you cover over that Velcro. Yeah, make sure you cover over that Velcro and you do it tight enough so it doesn't so it doesn't move over or slide over from the Velcro. I was struggling a little bit because I've never done a ponytail like this before, but I really liked it. I wore it over the weekend, so it was nice. But yeah, I'm just making sure it's secure. It feels a little weird to me because I'm used to drawstring ponytails from when I used to cheerlead, and even from when I was younger. So this one's a little bit different because it's not a drawstring. It just has like a little clip, and then you add, your bobby pins. But it's pretty cool. So I'm just wrapping it around. I'm going a little slow because I'm trying to make sure I do it neat. And your first time of doing it, you're probably going to do it a little slow too. So, yeah, but it's a pretty easy. You just slap it on. Not just slap it on, but you just, put the little combs in your hair. Make sure you slick your hair down. And that's how you get a nice, slick ponytail for summertime, girl. I like this little style. I'm gonna rock this. I like it. And I wasn't hot at all when I wore it out. So that was great. And as you can see right now, I'm just adding in my bobby pins to secure my ponytail because we want a nice secure ponytail. We don't want nothing too crazy. Oh yeah, we're secure. You see that? Okay, kissy face. Come on. But yeah, it's nice and secure. Okay, so our ponytail is secure, you see that? But I also realized that I needed a little bit more jam for my edges because my edges were not as, not sleek, but not as, in place as I want them to be. So I am just adding a little bit of gel, a little bit of jam. Just apply it as need be. If you're a baby hair type of girl, you can do your baby hairs with me. I just sleek them, to the side. I'm not a baby hair girl. So, yeah, and we are pretty much done.
Okay, we're back. Did you guys like that? Did you guys like that tutorial? I showed you guys how I slicked this ponytail down, how to install this easy wraparound ponytail. This is so easy, and even if you're just looking for a little style to go to work, and you just need a little ponytail, just slick it down, put it on in the morning, slick your hair down at night, so you can have that sleek, hard look. Sleek it down, then you just clap on your ponytail, put your bobby pins in, and you're good, sis. Okay. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me how you felt down in the comments. Tell me if you purchased it and you love the ponytail. Let me know. Or if you're going to purchase it, sis, I think it's a good investment. And 22 inches is not bad. This is synthetic, by the way. I don't think I mentioned that in the beginning. It's a synthetic ponytail, so it's not human. So you can't curl it. But for a little quick style, you shouldn't be looking to curl it. It does have some shedding. I'm not gonna lie. It does have some shedding. And I think that's just like from it being fresh out the pack. I think after a while it won't shed as much. But it does shed, okay? So that's something to take, into consideration. What else I want to tell you guys? Oh, okay, so I'm starting to vlog. As you saw my gallbladder vlog previously I posted. If you haven't seen that, you should check it out. And I'm gonna have another vlog coming up. This you guys seeing like you know, my everyday and how I am. Yeah, and it has nothing, well, it doesn't really have anything to do with my gallbladder, the new vlog that's coming up. It's just my everyday life. Yeah. So, I have a haul coming up for you guys, and you guys are going to see where I got this cute shirt from. Everybody loves a good basics. So, alright guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, you're beautiful, and never let anybody dull your sparkle. Bye guys.
Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you, don't want you